Good day everyone, I am Sheena Faye Arcaro from Group 9, and for our last topic, I will be discussing about the problems of watershed protection. This is actually a continuation from the topic about problems of watershed management. Before we get started, these are the topics that we will talk about. First, the significance of watershed, then the problems of watershed protection, and lastly will be the what you can do to help. So first from the list, we will talk about the significance of watersheds. We all know that a watershed is an area where all the water drains into a common water body, like a river or a lake, and it plays a vital role in supporting life. It provides clean water for drinking, farming, and industry. It naturally filters pollutants and help control flooding and erosion. They also recharge groundwater supplies, support diverse ecosystems, and sustain livelihoods such as fishing and agriculture. It also helps in forest and vegetation as it regulates the climate by absorbing carbon dioxide. Now that we understand why watersheds are important, let's talk about the main problems that make protecting them difficult. The first issue is pollution. Waste from factories, farms, and cities often ends up in rivers and lakes. This makes the water dirty, harms fish and animals, and even affects people who rely on water. Next, we have deforestation and habitat loss. Cutting down trees for farming, logging, or building destroys forests. This leads to soil washing into rivers, making the water muddy and damaging habitats for animals and plants. We also have over-extraction of water resources. Using too much water for farming, industries, or cities lowers water levels in rivers and underground. This leaves less water for nature and other people downstream. Other than that, we also have climate change impact. Changes in climate brings more floods, droughts, and unpredictable weather. This makes it hard for watersheds to function properly. Lastly, the community awareness and participation. Many people don't know how important watersheds are or how their actions affect them. Without this knowledge, people are less likely to help. These problems make it difficult to keep watersheds healthy. They affect water quality, wildlife, and how much water is available for people and the environment. To solve these problems, we need better rules, more public awareness, sustainable practices, and new tools to help manage watersheds. Let's now discuss on what you can do to help. First, let's reduce pollution. Avoid dumping waste, chemicals, or oils into drains or water bodies. Dispose your trash properly and recycle whenever possible. Second, conserve water. Use water wisely by fixing leaks, turning off taps when not in use, and choosing water-efficient appliances. Third, plant trees and vegetation. Trees and plants reduce erosion, absorbs pollutants, and help maintain healthy water flows and watersheds. Fourth, use eco-friendly products. Opt for biodegradable and non-toxic cleaning products to minimize harmful chemicals entering the water system. Lastly, educate others. Spread awareness about the importance of watersheds and encourage friends, family, and your community to take action. So that would be all. Thank you for listening and I hope you understand this topic. Again, this is Sheena Faye Arcaro, Group 9 reporter.